Hi, my name is Lily.
My name is Ocean.
My name is Sahid.
And my name is Hasni.
And we are the
3Ds.
And our school is Mellon High School.
We have made a film.
Of wildlife within our cities.
Even in our school,
There are many insects, plants and animals.
Hi, my name is Kayas. I'm also in the 3Es. We have many trees.
Hi, I'm Ups, and many other types of plants, and lots of animals live in them.
And lots of lovely flowers.
Also, we have a pet hamster called Mario, but I think he's asleep today.
Our school also has a pet dog called Puppy. She is a fox terrier. We all love her, but she does bark a lot.
Manchester is a modern city with a rich history. Manchester is the third largest city with over 500,000 people living here.
At the end of the 18th century, Manchester's rapid growth was due to the Industrial Revolution and the expanding cotton industry, and was known as Cottonopolis.
In the 19th century, air pollution in the city was at a dangerous level for nature and the population. It was decided to build many parks and gardens to improve the life of Manchester citizens.
In 1853, Manchester gained city status and was rich from international trade.
Also at the time, Manchester decided to show off its wealth by building many large beautiful buildings, like the John Rylands Library, the Free Trade Hall, the Manchester Museum and the Manchester Art Gallery.
One of the grandest buildings in Manchester is the Manchester Town Hall, which was designed by architect Alfred Waterhouse and was completed in 1877. The exterior is dominated by the clock tower, which rises to 280 feet and houses Great Abel the clock bell.
Close to our school is Deptford Park, an outdoor centre, which is a recreational park, and two boating lakes built on natural land purchased in 1820.
After the First World War, the council opened it as a public green space.
Since then, Deptford Park has grown in size and covers over 45 acres.
Today, the Dale Park has a butterfly centre and eco centre where flora and fauna can be studied and plays a big role in conservation.
Also, there is a nature trail through lots of mature trees, flower beds and winding pathways.
Through their work at the park, they have gained a Green Flag Award.
The park is popular with cyclists. There's a skate park, children's play areas, tennis courts, football pitches and even a gym.
With the fast pace of life in a large city, it's important to have green spaces like Dale Park for people to meet, relax and keep healthy.